What's up guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I generate extremely realistic AI UGC videos just like this one, for example.
So important to make sure you're staying hydrated, especially after a workout. And
Or for example also this one.
Let me show you how to swap your face.
That was actually with Kling Motion, so I just like cloned myself into it, and then also this. So I'm gonna show you how I can find my characters, how I generate my start frames, and then I will show you how I generate the clips. And it's actually so easy since we're using Omni, which is the most powerful model for this. It's literally so incredibly easy. And stay until the very end to get the link to our community and also my private supplier. So we're gonna start off by searching for a start frame. So the start frame I'm going to take is this woman here. So I'm just going to screenshot her, and then I'm going to go ahead back into Polaris UGC. I'm going to go on generator, prompt generator, and then the image I just made, I'm just going to paste it in here. Then I'm going to say make a extremely precise JSON prompt to clone this image one-to-one without any on-screen UI such as text, length bar, search bar, or play button. It should be as close as possible to the original. And then we're just going to hit generate prompt here. This is basically just so that we generate a fresh character and don't just take an influencer, let's say, or some person and take her as the start frame, because that can easily get you in legal trouble if you're just taking someone else as your character. And I'm going to be back when the prompt actually generates. Okay, so as you can see, a couple seconds passed and now we have this JSON prompt. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to image and we're going to select GPT image 2. This just gives you like the most realistic results somehow possible. We're going to take this 9:16 and do a 4K generation, and then I'm going to be back once this actually finished generating. So as you can see, the start frame generate now, and it looks so incredibly good and realistic. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this. And then the next step we're going to do is we're just going to generate this. So we're going to go to video, then we're going to go and select Omni. We're going to go ahead and attach it as a reference image. So now I have it in here as a reference image. And now comes the easiest part, the prompting. So we're just going to go ahead and say, keep the camera static, because this is a static shot. The woman should gesticulate and say, I am a hyper-realistic AI avatar. That's about it for the prompt. Quality, I'm just going to turn this down so I don't overspend on this simple tutorial. We're going to go with a 6-second clip. And then as you can see, it's also so fucking cheap. And I'm just going to hit generate here and then come back to you once the results are in again. So now you can see the result just landed, and we're just going to take a look at it together and then we're going to judge it.
I am a hyper realistic AI avatar.
You can just see this is so good. This is so easy. Obviously, you can make them say whatever you want. You can also give them a product into their hand. Like in this case, I could just go ahead and I'm just gonna attach a product here, and then we're gonna make her hold the product and say something. So yeah, 1 second. So okay, as you can see, I now attached this image of a mug, and then I'm gonna say keep the camera static again. I love this mug, and make her hold the attached product and look at it while she says it. Now we're gonna hit generate again. I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to actually make good consistent videos now that Omni is out on Polaris. Okay, as you can see now, this second clip also landed with the product in hand, and we're just gonna look at it and judge it together, and I can show you how easy this is.
I love this mug. It keeps my drinks so hot.
I mean, this is hyper realistic, has perfect product consistency. This is just crazy, and it's so easy to create. And yeah, that's basically it. And if you want like a community you can join, the Telegram is linked below. And you can also like book a one-on-one call with me if you need any help with these types of videos, or if you need any help building a Shopify store, whatever it is, you can just book a call below. It's completely free, and we're gonna see how I personally can help you. And yeah, that's it already for this tutorial.